On Friday, viewers, the entire nation was left stunned as Congress party chose to stage a dramatic, shirtless and topless protest against the Prime Minister at the venue of the AI Impact Summit. Foreign delegates and world leaders were present inside Bharat Mandapam. Even then, Youth Congress chose to take off their shirts and stage that protest, and it thought India's AI moment will now get global attention because of the Congress party's protest. But today, the despicable protest has been called out by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In his most fiery speech yet in Meerut, the Prime Minister went all guns blazing against the Congress for their shirtless antics. He said the protest or display of the words that he used were Nangi and Gandhi Rajniti shows what the Congress today stands for. He also went on to call out the ideological bankruptcy of the grand old party and slammed the Congress for showing desperation. The Prime Minister also said that the Congress now has become a burden on the nation. He highlighted how even allies, Congress party's own allies, are ashamed of what the Congress did. Listen in to what the Prime Minister said.
लेकिन कांग्रेस और इसके इकोसिस्टम ने क्या किया? साथियों, कांग्रेस ने भारत के एक वैश्विक आयोजन को अपनी गंदी और नंगी राजनीति का अखाड़ा बना दिया। समारोह स्थल पर विदेशी अतिथियों के सामने कांग्रेस के नेता कपड़े उतारकर पहुंच गए। मैं कांग्रेस वालों को पूछता हूं, देश तो जानता है आप पहले से ही नंगे हो, फिर कपड़े उतारने की जरूरत क्या पड़ी?
A blistering attack on the Congress party, but the Prime Minister didn't stop there. The Prime Minister specifically also mentioned how the topless and shirtless protest has drawn condemnation not only from people across the country, but also from allies of the Congress party. Prime Minister highlighted how such acts have now made India allies wary of the Congress party, as they fear that the alliance is only dragging them further down. The Prime Minister also said it is now time to name and shame the Congress and not conflate them with the entire INDIA bloc, and not to give them a shield by referring to them as the Vipaksh or the opposition, as it is solely the Congress party that is engaging in such antics, that is maligning the nation, and that the Congress is only on this very project of berating Bharat. Listen to what the Prime Minister said.
पार्लियामेंट में खुद परफॉर्म कर नहीं पा रहे तो अपने साथी दलों को भी बोलने का मौका नहीं देते, पार्लियामेंट को चलने नहीं देते, और उसका सबसे बड़ा नुकसान कांग्रेस के जो साथी दल है ना उनको हो रहा है। अब वो समझ गए हैं। ये अभी दिल्ली में उन्होंने जो ये नंगापन दिखाया, उनके सारे साथी दल चौंक गए हैं, सबने किनारा कर लिया। और मैं नम्रतापूर्वक देश के मीडिया को भी एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूं। वैसे मैं मीडिया को हर प्रकार से झेलने के लिए ईश्वर मुझे शक्ति दे प्रार्थना करता रहता हूं, लेकिन आज मैं उनको प्रार्थना करता हूं कि कृपा करके हम जब इस प्रकार की हरकतों की आलोचना करें तो आप ये हेडलाइन मत बनाइए कि मोदी ने विपक्ष को धो डाला।
Prime Minister also highlighted the desperation of the Congress party. He reminded the Congress of the comments that they've made in the past. He reminded them of the Kabar Khudegi slogan. He spoke about how The Congress also stooped to the extent of targeting his mother. And now the Prime Minister says that in their desperation to target the BJP, to go against the Prime Minister, Congress party has now started berating and bashing the country at a time when the focus is on India's achievements.
साथियों, कांग्रेस देश के लिए बोझ बन गई है और मुझे इस बात का संतोष है कि दिल्ली में जो घटना घटी, कांग्रेस के सभी साथी दलों ने कांग्रेस की भरपूर आलोचना करने की हिम्मत दिखाई है। मैं विपक्ष के इन साथियों का सच्चाई के साथ और देश के गौरव के साथ खड़े रहकर रहने के लिए उनका मैं सार्वजनिक रूप से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
My colleague Pragya is joining us. Pragya and Meerut, the Prime Minister went all guns blazing at the Congress party. Just the tone of the Prime Minister's speech showed how the Prime Minister is livid with what the Congress party did, and rightly so. There is condemnation coming in from every quarter, from academicians, from allies. Nobody has agreed with what the Congress party has done, but the Congress remains defiant. The Prime Minister has used terms like Gandhi and Nangi Rajniti to talk about what the Congress did, and we've been seeing protests happening. What do you think the BJP strategy is going to be when it comes to this very controversy?
Well, Sagarika, as Prime Minister rightly said, that even the allies of Congress have left during this controversy, and in fact took to social media and openly criticized what Congress has done. This also would mean that there is also an attempt by the BJP to isolate Congress from its ally partners. And in fact, BJP is okay with DMK. They had formed a government with DMK and with other parties as well. But as far as Congress is concerned, it's the arch rival. And in fact, what Prime Minister said today is very important, significant, that Congress is anti-national. They tried to berate the country, they tried to insult the country at such an international conference that developing country had never seen in the history before. And in fact, this is very important statement coming from Prime Minister. Not just that, Prime Minister has also taken on Congress for sending women MPs to his seat when he was not present. And in fact, he was supposed to come to the House during the budget discussion. And in fact, this is the first time that Prime Minister has openly spoken about this particular incident, and also asked what was the need to send the sisters and mothers if they tried to corner the seat of the Prime Minister. If they had any guts to take on Prime Ministership, they should win the hearts of the people first. But by doing antics like this, what the Congress did in International AI Impact Summit, it also would mean that even people are against Congress. And in fact, we had seen criticism coming from all quarters, and this is going to be the BJP strategy, to isolate Congress from everyone else, to attack Congress, because Congress seems to be the one who is spearheading this anti-national campaign in the country right now. The other, at least allies, understand that this was an international event. It has everything to do with the repute of the country. It has everything to do with the future of the youngsters and the prospect it will bring to the country. Except Congress, everyone understood that, and this is the reason why everyone is livid on Congress, saying that you are trying to bring down India alliance, by doing such antics. So, this is a perfect also moment for the BJP right now, as you asked for the strategy, to corner Congress on this, and this is why Prime Minister emphasized that do not club Congress as an opposition party, as total opposition, because opposition did not support any of the antics that they did at the AI summit.
Yes, and just taking away from what the Prime Minister said, let's also bring in our next breaking news update. The Prime Minister spoke about how allies of the INDIA bloc, parties like DMK, parties like Trinamool Congress, have condemned what the Congress party has done. They have distanced themselves. And that is why we have to shift our focus to what is happening within the Trinamool Congress. There is a leader of the TMC.